that creates a world-class champion. Blue Lock is a Japanese sports anime based on an intense idea. To create the world's best striker, you need a powerful ego. We use it as arrogance, but in real meaning, ego is not arrogance. It's the inner fire that pushes you to dominate the field, break your limits, and chase your dream without hesitation. What is real ego? Ego is the unshakable self-belief. Every sports teaches us that a striker must have the confidence in his abilities. He believes that there is nothing he cannot learn or achieve. He believes his inner strength. Even when the world doubts him, he moves forward with courage, knowing his potential is far greater than his fear. The desire to be number one is the fire that pushes him to dominate the field, and a drive that outwork, outgrow, and outperform everyone around him. The hunger to win at any cost is the fire that refuses the defeat and go beyond the limits to claim the victory. And remember, the ego is what separates a player from a champion. Why ego is important? A striker is the one who breaks the balance of the game. And to break that balance, one must need the confidence to shoot. He believes that his moment has come and he pulls the trigger without hesitation. To make opportunities, not wait for them, is the power to make your own destiny and a trust that makes every moment into a chance to rise. And remember, if a player don't have ego, he becomes average. Real life player and their ego. Cristiano Ronaldo, the icon of self-belief. His ego is, I am the best and I will prove it every single day. His ego is, he composed his MS Dhoni, the ego of calm authority. His ego is, he defines the outcome of the match by sharp skills and the leadership qualities. These players show that ego can be in the form of aggression, calmness, and the hunger to score. Blue Lock is universal. Make your own identity. It means choosing to be original and letting the world know who you truly are. In the last, the conclusion is, if your ego is strong, you don't wait, you don't doubt, and you move forward. And remember, ego is a fuel, not pride. That's all.
He has spoken very well. It means if you keep the fire on your hand, it is going to burn you. If you use that fire